This is Greg Lemoyne reporting live from my current school, and I wanted to share with you a project. You can see it here, working with cardboard, hot glue, lots of different things. I've been working on a project called the Marble Run, and it's basically a bulletin board with lots of moving marbles going from the top to the bottom and going back up with an elevator. So let's show you a little bit about what's going on. So they start at the bottom. They're going to go all the way to the top. The Pringles can sort of keep the marbles around the 3D printed screw. And they're going to come out and they're either going to go left or they're going to go right. So let's go to the right. There they go. By the way, that's about 10 feet tall. I thought it would be pretty cool if we could just use up all the boxes from our computers we've been buying for the kids. It started out as a lunch program type of thing where I would go at lunch and just spend a couple of minutes working on cardboard. It turned into quite a beast of a project. As you can see, they're going all different directions. It still isn't finished yet. This is in real time. I'm not speeding up anything. You can see those marbles get going pretty fast. That's right hand side. That's a lot of what Jim's been working on. And as they go at the bottom, they're going to reach over all the way back to the middle. You can see the elevator in the middle is run by a Lego brick. Programmed so we can modify the speed a little bit. All the marbles feed back into the middle there. Go back up all the way to the top. Need a ladder to get up to there. And then they're going to come down the left. You can see them coming all the way over and splitting up. Quite the fun project. I'd like to thank Jim and Saddam, two guys have been helping me out quite a bit with this project, fine-tuning it, making sure that it's working, and endlessly picking up marbles as we fine-tune the project. They keep falling off. But thank you guys, and we will probably modify, it's an ongoing project, we'll probably modify that elevator. It's just not working well enough. This is Greg reporting live from my current school in the Middle East. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next video.